A common safety pin, often overlooked, holds secrets to stunning photographic mastery. Unlocking its unexpected potential reveals a universe of dramatic light and shadow. Photography often relies on manipulating light, the very essence of visual art. Professional photographers constantly seek unconventional tools to shape their vision. Everyday objects, like a simple safety pin, can become powerful creative instruments. Mastering these humble tools elevates your craft beyond expensive studio equipment. Understanding light interaction transforms ordinary scenes into extraordinary visual stories. This approach emphasizes ingenuity and resourcefulness over mere gear acquisition. Consider a single, polished safety pin reflecting an entire studio light source. Its metallic surface acts as a tiny, precise specular highlight reflector, intensifying sparkle. Positioning it near a subject directs a pinpoint of light, adding a captivating gleam. This miniature reflector creates a powerful catchlight in eyes or a product's surface. But the safety pin's true versatility extends far beyond simple reflection manipulation. Imagine several pins arranged on a dark surface, catching a soft, diffused light. The tiny gaps between the coiled metal springs become intricate shadow-casting elements. These delicate shadows add complex textures and visual depth to any composition. Experiment with different angles and distances to alter the shadow's length and intensity. This unexpected technique transforms a flat image into a multi-dimensional visual experience. And then something unexpected happens when you introduce a backlight source. Backlighting a safety pin creates a dramatic silhouette, highlighting its unique form. The edges glow with an ethereal rim light, separating the pin from its background. This method emphasizes shape and contour, turning an ordinary object into abstract art. A strong backlight can even cause internal reflections within the pin's coiled spring. These internal glints produce a mesmerizing, almost microscopic light show within the pin. Yet, its most subtle power lies in controlling the smallest light sources directly. Attach a safety pin to a small LED light, directing its beam with precision. The pin's point can funnel light into extremely narrow areas, creating focused spotlights. This allows for intricate light painting or illuminating specific, minute details on a subject. Think of it as a miniature snoot, but one you can bend and reshape instantly. You can use its sharp tip to scratch away emulsion on film, creating unique light streaks.
But wait until you hear how it influences diffusion, not just reflection or shadow.
A safety pin can also serve as a DIY diffuser for ultra-small light sources. By attaching a tiny piece of tissue paper to its head, you soften harsh light. This creates a gentle, almost ethereal glow, perfect for delicate macro photography. The small scale makes it ideal for illuminating tiny details without overpowering them. Imagine a miniature cloud box, but one held precisely by a metal needle. And the implications for macro photography are truly astounding with this simple tool. In macro photography, the safety pin becomes an invaluable focusing target and prop. Its sharp point offers a clear, precise focal plane for extremely shallow depth of field. You can also use it to subtly hold delicate elements in place during a shot. This tiny implement grants unparalleled control in capturing minuscule, intricate worlds. This simple tool democratizes advanced lighting techniques for every photographer.
It encourages creative problem-solving, pushing artists beyond conventional studio setups.
The cost-effectiveness of a safety pin makes sophisticated lighting accessible to everyone. Photographers can achieve stunning, professional-level results with minimal financial investment. Mastering these versatile hacks fosters a deeper understanding of light itself. It teaches invaluable lessons about reflection, diffusion, and shadow manipulation through practice. This resourcefulness sharpens observational skills, spotting photographic potential everywhere you look. You learn to see the world not just as objects, but as intricate light sculptors. The creative freedom gained by embracing such humble tools is truly liberating for artists. It shifts focus from buying gear to developing an artistic eye and ingenious techniques. This approach empowers photographers to innovate, rather than merely replicate established styles. Imagine transforming everyday items into essential parts of your professional photography kit. It builds confidence in your abilities, proving that skill triumphs over expensive equipment. This mindset fosters a community of inventive photographers sharing their clever, practical solutions. Ultimately, embracing the safety pin expands your creative toolkit and artistic possibilities significantly. Your photography will gain a unique, handcrafted quality, setting your work apart instantly. The humble safety pin truly demonstrates how ingenuity can unlock extraordinary photographic potential. If you found these lighting hacks fascinating, subscribe for more incredible photography insights. Let me know in the comments what other everyday objects you've used creatively. If you found these lighting hacks fascinating, subscribe for more incredible photography insights.